Hello guys, this is Cedric. So here I want to introduce you a tool. This is the Binance Real-Time Analyzer. You can find my contact here, my Telegram or my Discord. You can also find it in the description of this video. So I want to explain how this tool works. So first of all, this tool is given with the PumpBot I made also. So the PumpBot is a software to participate in the pump events. Pump events are performed by groups in Telegram and Discord, like a Big Pump Signal or Mega Pump or some other group. They'll give a coin name in the group and then everybody go buy it. So the coins pump to more than 30, 50, 100% for a very short period of time and then dump. And if you play manually this kind of pump, you have a big chance to lose. So this is why I made a bot. You can see here the video. You can also see in my channel, you will find more video about the pump bot. This tool will help you to make profit during these pumps. So on this video, for example, I'm at 60%. You can find this video in my channel. You can also find others. I invite you to watch this video. So when you buy this bot, I also give the Binance Real-Time Analyzer. So what is this? So this tool can show you live market data from Binance on different time frames. So from 5 seconds to 24 hours. So here you can see the whole market is quite red because Elon Musk just tweeted something against Bitcoin. But what is interesting here is we can still find some green line, like here. You have EPS, which is green. You have also another fill, which is green. So with this tool, you can still find some interesting coin, even if this kind of bear market. It's very useful to spot the good coin. So I show here you have the time frames from 5 seconds to 24 hours. So for each column, that means the price and change by the amount percent on this time window. And we can go to 24 hours maximum. So this tool is made for the day trading. So let's scroll again a little about the different lines. So we have seen EPS. So we will go to EPS line here and we can click on the link and we land directly on the Binance page. So we can see directly the chart. I will change the time frame to 1 or 3 minutes. Okay, and here effectively you can see after the dump, the price raised up very quickly. So the bounce was very strong. That means this coin have a high potential of pumping right after the dump. So we will take a look. We also have this one, MKR. So we can also open it and we can see effectively this coin is pumping hard. That's why it's very green on all the time window, even the lower one. So here we want to spot this movement at the bottom and not at the end. So for this, we have a tool. In this tool, we have a filter builder. So this filter builder will allow you to filter out the coins only with the specific filters you set. For example, I will show you some example here. So here I can see the whole USDT market because my filter is Pell type USDT, but I will add another filter. For example, price change on 10 minutes. Yes, I want price change on 10 minutes is more than 1.5%. And I will also add another filter in the same block. I will select the volume change 10 minutes is more than 1%. Okay, so I click the button and now, so I still have everything because I didn't delete my first filter. So I delete the first one and now I have all the coins that are matching to my block of condition. So you can see we have several coins that are in green, even if we are in the bull market, that means they are pumping. So here, for example, here we can clearly see the coin is pumping. So if I change the scale, we can see here there is a pre-pump. The big candle is like here, it's a very big pre-pump, and now the coin is pumping. So this kind of pattern is easy to spot. When you find it, you know the coin will be pumped soon. So we will probably reach the 16 or $60.5 on this coin, like 5, 10, 15% more maybe profit. So this is a good coin to invest actually at this time. But now if we want to spot it at the pre-pump time, so we will set another filter. For example, the price change on 1 minute, I want it set more than 1.5. And I will also change the volume, because the volume is usually get high on this kind of movement. So I will also put 0.8, which is good for this kind of movement. So now I can also delete my first filter. And here I have nothing. But if I had something, that means it will be the same movement as we just seen before. So now I still want to see the whole market data. So I will set up again my filter Pale type USDT. So I will still see my whole market data, but now I want to know when the first condition will be triggered. I want to receive an alert. So how to do that? There is the speaker icon. You just click on it and it will activate a notification, desktop notification, when this condition block is triggered. So as soon as we have a price change on the 1 minute time frame more than 1% and the volume are more than 0.8%, so it will trigger. I will show you another example, because this trigger happen likely not often, maybe just a few per day. So I will set another filter here. So let's say I want to trigger, for example, what is more than 2% in the 40-minute time window. So I select here my price change in 40 minutes, more than 2. And I will also add another setting. I want to do it only on the USDT pair. So I will add pair type equal USDT. And so now I will have, I click of course on the speaker. And so now I will have all the coins that trigger this block of condition. Up, I will receive the notification. So I just have to click on it. It should open the chart. Oh yeah, activates of course the pop-up. So I can see here effectively I have some pumping movement on these coins. I will check the other one. So Nano or Umo, yeah, Nano. So on the other one, effectively also I have interesting move here. We can guess it will pump again. So this was UMA we have seen earlier, and we can see this coin is pumping. So I will move a little forward. So you have the different time window. I will move a little forward in the video so we can see the result at the end. Okay, just a second. Hey, welcome back. So let's see again all charts. So here you can see effectively the coin is pumping, and the other one also is pumping, UMA and GXS. So this is how this tool works. Don't forget, you can contact me on my Discord or on my Telegram channel, or you can contact me directly on my accounts. You will also find these accounts in the description of the video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget about the pump bot. This is the main tool I use to make profit, because this is a very big profit in a very short period of time. This is all for my video. You can contact me. Don't forget to be happy. Bye bye.